Hello, here I am Professor Sheetal Bulgunde from the Department of Agronomy, KK College of Agriculture, Nashik. Welcome to the today's session of course AGH 111, that is Agriculture Heritage. Today's topic is crop significance and classification. First, we will see what is crop significance, how crop are important to us. Then, plants are the backbone of all life on earth and an essential resource for human well-being. Following things we get from plants and that things are, first one is food. Everything we eat comes directly or indirectly from plants. Throughout human history, approximately 7,000 different plant species have been used as food by people. Second one is air. Oxygen is brought to you by plants as a byproduct of photosynthesis. Third one is water. Plant regulates the water cycle. They help distribute and purify the planet's water. They also help move water from the soil to the atmosphere through a process called transpiration. Fourth one is habitat. Of course, aside from humans, myriad uses, plants make up the backbone of all habitats. Other species of fish and wildlife also depend on plants for food and shelter. Medicine, one quarter of all prescription drugs comes directly from or derivatives of plants. Additionally, 4 out of 5 people around the world today rely on plants for primary health care. Climate, plants store carbon and have developed to keep much of the carbon dioxide produced from the burning of fossil fuel out of the atmosphere. Before discussing the significance and classification of crop, we should learn about what is a crop or meaning of the crop. In general, crop is an organism grown or harvested for obtaining yield. Agronomic plant crop is plant cultivated for economic purposes. Crops harvested as a food for humans and animals are referred as fodder crop. Non-food crops include horticulture, floriculture, and industrial crop. Horticultural crops include crop like fruit trees, vegetable, etc. Floriculture crop include bedding plants, house plants, flowering garden, and pot plants, cut cultivated grain plants. Industrial crops are produced for clothing, fiber crops, biofuel, energy crops, algae fuel, or medicinal plants. Animals and microbes are rarely referred to as crops. Cash crops are which is grown for sale to get profit or earn profit. Why should we classify the plants? Or importance of classifying the crop plants. First one, to get acquainted with crop. One should get familiar with the crop of our particular region or the crops of our state or country. To understand the requirement of soil and water of different crops. To know adaptability of crops. To know the growing habit of crops. To understand climatic requirements of different crops. To know the economic produce of the crop plant and its use, to know the growing season of the crops, overall to know the actual conditions required to the cultivation of plants. Then here is the classification of crops based on climate. First one is tropical crops. Crops grown well in warm and hot climate. Example, rice, sugarcane, jawar, etc. Second one is temperate crop. Crops grown well in cool climate. Example, wheat, oats, gram, potato. Then classification of crops based on growing season. There are three seasons. We all know that: Kharif, Rabi, and summer. First one is Kharif or rainy or monsoon crops. The crops grown in monsoon months from June to October, November require warm, wet weather at major period of crop growth and also require short day length for flowering. And then example, cotton, rice, jawar, bajra. Second is Rabi, winter or cold season crop. The crop requires winter season to grow well from October March month. Crops grow well in cold and dry weather, require longer day length for flowering. Example, wheat, gram, sunflower, etc. Summer or Jared crops. Crops grown in summer month from March to June require warm day weather for major growth period and longer day length for flowering, groundnut, watermelon, pumpkin, cards, etc. Then classification of crops based on use. Plants are harvested for economic purposes mainly. On that basis, crops are classified as grain crops. Maybe cereals are the cultivated grasses grown for their edible starchy grains. The larger grain used as a staple food is cereal. Example, rice, jawar, wheat, maize, barley, and millets are the small grain cereals which are minor importance as a food. Second, pulse or legume crops. Seeds of leguminous crops, plants used as a food. On splitting, they produce dal, which is rich in protein. Example, green gram, black gram, soybean, black gram, pea, cowpea, etc. Third one is oilseed crops. Crop seeds are rich in fatty acids, are used to extract vegetable oil to meet various requirements. Example, groundnut, mustard, sunflower, sesame, linseed, etc. Fourth one is forage crop. It refers to vegetative matter, fresh as preserved, utilized as food for animals, crop cultivated and used for flicker, hay silage. Example, sorghum, elephant grass, bersame and other pulse, bajra, etc. Fiber crops, crops grown for fiber yield, fiber may be obtained from seed. Example, cotton, stem, jute, carrot, turnip, etc. Root crops, roots are the economic produce in root crop. Example, sweet potato, sugar beet, carrot, turnip, etc. Tuber crops, crops whose edible portion is not a root but a short thickened underground stem. Example, potato. Then sugar crops, the two important sugar crops are sugarcane and sugar beet are cultivated for production of sugar. Third one is starch crop, crops grown for the production of starch. Example, tapioca potato, sweet potato. Drug crops used for preparation for tobacco. Example, mint, tobacco, pyrethrum. Spice and condiments, crop plants as their products are used to flavor, taste and sometimes color the fresh preserved food. Ginger, garlic, chili, cumin, onion, coriander, cardamom, pepper, turmeric, etc. Vegetable crop may be leafy and fruity vegetable. Example, palak, mentha, brinjal, tomato. Green manure crop grown and incorporated into soil to increase fertility of soil. Example, sunhand. Medicinal and aromatic crop. Medicinal crops include cinchona, isabgol, opium poppy, belladonna, ravalfia. Aromatic plants like lemongrass, palmarosa, Japanese mint, peppermint, rose geranium, jasmine, henna, etc. Classification of crops based on life of crops or duration of crops. Seasonal crops, a crop completes its life cycle in one season, that is Kharif, Rabi or summer. Two season crop, crops which complete its life in one season, that is turmeric, ginger. Annual crop, crop requires one full year to complete its life cycle. Example, sugarcane. Biennial crops, crops which grows in 1 year and flowers, fructifies and perishes in next year, banana, papaya. Perennial crop, crops live for several years. Example, fruit crops, guava, etc. Classification of crops based on cultural method or water supply. First one is rainfed crops. Crops grown only on rainwater is called as rainfed crop. Example, jawar, bajra, moong, etc. Irrigated crops. Crops grown with the help of irrigation water. Example, chilies, sugarcane, banana, papaya, etc. Then classification based on root system. Taproot system. The main root goes deep into the soil. Example, tur, grapes, cotton, etc. Adventitious roots or fiber rooted. The crop whose roots are fibrous, shallow and spreading into the soil are termed as adventitious crops. Example, rice, wheat. Then classification of crop based on economic importance. First one is cash crop. Crops grown for earning money. Example, sugarcane, cotton. Food crops, crops grown for raising food grain for the population and fodder crop for cattle. Example, jawar, wheat, rice, etc. Then classification of crop based on number of cotyledons. First one is monocots or monocotyledons having one cotyledons in the seed. Example, all cereals and millets. And dicot or dicotyledons, crops having two cotyledons in the seed. Example, all legumes and pulses. And then last one is classification of crops based on importance required for time required for photo period or flowering. First one is short day plant. Flower initiation takes place when days are short, less than 10 hours. Example, rice, jawar, green gram, black gram, etc. Long day plant. Crops require long days, more than 10 hours for floral initiation. Example, wheat, barley. And there is another class that is day neutral plants, that is uh, length of photo period does not affect on that crop or flowering are termed as day neutral plant. According to me, example is potato. Thank you. Thank you for today.